Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm a plant-based RN and I follow the starch solution. If you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. On my channel, you're going to find quick and easy whole food plant-based recipes that are gluten-free. Please subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that notification bell. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I also have a newsletter and an e-guide that explains the benefits of a plant-based diet, and the links to all those resources are in the description box below. So today I'm going to make another recipe that I found on the internet, and this one is a 2-ingredient pizza crust recipe, so I'm really interested in giving this a try. This one is again by Haley Burns. So as I said on my last video, she is on TikTok, she has a cajillion followers, so she must know something. So I'm going to give this one a try and we'll see how it turns out. So let's get started. So the 2 ingredients are tofu and flour. So I have some leftover tofu. This is about a half a block. This is firm tofu. And I had it all cubed up because I was going to use it for something else, but that's okay. And then we're just going to add some flour, and there's no specific amount. It's just until you get like a dough-like consistency. I think what I will do first is I will kind of mush this up just with my hands. I think that might make it easier. She didn't really show doing this, but you know, I'm just taking a chance. So I'm going to start with a 1/4 cup, and this is just Trader Joe's gluten-free flour. So you just want to do it till it starts becoming not so sticky. So maybe a little bit more. All right, a little bit more. This may be it. All right, I'm going to put this onto a lined baking sheet and then we'll press it out into a pizza. Okay, we're going to push it out into a pizza shape here. This is an interesting use of tofu. Okay, now I'm going to bake this at 425 for about 5 minutes. Alright, so it was in for 5 minutes. Now I'm just going to put some sauce on here. I'm just using some marinara. I like my sauce all the way to the end. Then I've just got some sliced mushrooms here. Of course, you can put whatever toppings you want. And then I just defrosted some frozen peppers and onions here, so those will go on as well. Nice colorful pizza. And you can, you can put whatever you want on your pizza, of course. We all know that. All right, this is gonna go back into the oven for probably 8 minutes till it's crispy. Oh, and I wanna top it with some of my pizza seasoning. Really give it that authentic flavor. I think 8 minutes should about do it. We just want it crispy. Okay, piping hot out of the oven. Looks good, it looks crispy. I'm just gonna tear a little bit of spinach and throw it on top just to get some greens. This went for about 12 minutes. I mean, this is the first time I'm making this, so I was just winging it. All right, little spinach. And then I've got some of my cheese sauce that I'm just gonna kind of drizzle over it. And then we'll give it a taste. And if this is good, then this is gonna be my new go-to, because 2 ingredients, hello. How easy is that? Okay, let's taste it. Here we go, finished product, and it's pretty sturdy. Okay. Looks like a pizza. Let's give it a try. Interesting. It needs salt. So next time, a little bit of salt in there would be good. But it's actually not bad. It's, you probably could have cooked a couple more minutes. But it's really good. Another 9 out of 10. So if you've made it this far in the video, please comment below with tofu pizza, and that way I know you made it to the end with me, and I really appreciate it. If you like this video, if you got value out of it, if you learned something, please hit the like button. And remember to check out all those resources in the description box below. And remember that all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate. Until next time, thank you. If you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. Into a pizza shape here. This phone is killing me. Okay, here's our pizza. And oh God, I forgot to take a picture.